Still writing Terraform from scratch for every new project? Let's build AWS and Azure infrastructure in under 60 seconds. Just go to the website infraasprompt.com and from here choose your provider, whether AWS or Azure, and your desired resource type from the most commonly used services. Say example, we choose VPC, and here is a template on the left side pre-filled for you. You can make some modifications here, like if you need 3 public subnets and 3 private subnets and a NAT gateway along with 3 availability zones, just these parameters, and click on this generate Terraform code button, and the deployment ready code is ready for you. The providers.tf, main.tf with all the syntax and data, variables.tf, outputs.tf, and a readme file that describes what are the inputs that you have submitted and for which you have generated the code. If you want to copy the code of selected tab, just click on copy code. It will be copied into your clipboard. You can download the whole zip file that contains all of these 5 files shown here on each tab. And you can also share this generated code with someone by clicking on this share button. You can save your setting as a project by clicking on this save project button and give it a name like VPC network setup and click on save. And you can make some modification and click on update project and save it again with more edits. And you can share your project by clicking on this share link. A link will be generated and you can copy this link and try to open in another tab, and the same configuration can be loaded here and you can reuse it as a template to make further changes. Similarly, you can change your provider to Azure and select your desired service and generate the Terraform code for that as well. And there will be some information messages here that you can read, which is for doing the inbuilt validation features for all the services. Also, there is a stack builder mode where you can choose the different services and add them to your stack and make the adjustment with the parameters. So if you're building some scalable application and you need all these services, you can select these services and configure their parameters and click on the generate Terraform code. It will build the code for the whole stack in one go, like this. So similarly, you can go to the README file and see what are the services whose Terraform code has been generated by this event. So this way you can try to generate Terraform code for different services among AWS and Azure. If you have any queries, you can leave your comment and I will guide you further on this. Thanks for watching this video.